so this is my recipe for firecracker chicken curry. Now I say it like that because this is my adaptation to a recipe that I've trialed and errored with, and I've got it to something that I really quite like and enjoy. So I hope you enjoy. Whilst I am just editing it now, I realised that I forgot to add a few things to it when I was cooking last night. I was in from work, I was tired, so you'll have to excuse me, but in the description box down below I have put all of the ingredients that I usually put within this recipe. So if you want the actual ingredients list to be very specific, it's in the description box. If you're okay with rocking and rolling with how it is, then just keep on watching. So you'll need a bunch of spring onions chopped and washed, a packet of mange 2 peppers diced chunky, and 2 small or 1 large red onion diced chunky. I've got 3 chicken breasts here, and a nice chunk of garlic, no, a nice chunk of ginger grated, and 2 garlic cloves, jasmine rice, and then for the sauce slash marinade, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, crushed chilies, fish sauce, red wine vinegar, and oyster sauce. And you'll also later on need some chicken stock. This is what I'll put in today, but to be honest, each time I make this it goes different, so that's a rough example of what. And the ketchup has 3 syns in it. So everything for the marinade, literally just pop into a bowl and then give it a good mix. With the chilies, just add as many as you like, depending how spicy you like foods. I like quite spicy food, so I add quite a bit to mine. Right, now you have your basic marinade, pour it into the chicken. I've chopped the chicken quite chunky. Everything really in this recipe is chunky. Spray a wok or a large pan with some fry light, preferably non-stick if you've got that. This pan's amazing. It's a ceramic pan. It's off Amazon. I'll leave a link to it, but it's brilliant for cooking things like stir fries and firecracker and curry. Turn the heat on, and then we're going to add the chicken, but not all of the marinade, so you'll see once I put it in. Over here I've got a pan of boiling water, so I'm going to add some jasmine rice to that. Okay, so once the fire light's almost transparent, I use tongs to take the chicken out of the bowl and into the pan. Okay, so just leave the chicken in the pan to cook for a couple of minutes before you start to stir and mess it about. You'll see that the marinade starts to go really nice and sticky, and that is exactly how you want it. Right, with the little bit left in the bowl, add your chicken stock, add some water, and we'll add that at the end of the cooking process. I completely forgot, I normally add tamarind paste to this as well, so I'm going to add it into this bit and we can add it later. So, a tablespoon. Right, can you see how it's started to go all nice and bubbly and sticky? That's the point now, and the chicken's starting to turn white underneath, where I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, once it's cooked a couple of minutes on the other side, I'm going to add all of the vegetables minus the spring onion. Okay, so it's been cooking a good 5 minutes or so now, so I'm going to go in with the spring onion and stir that in. Then I'll keep cooking it till the chicken is fully cooked. If you're ever unsure about chicken, just literally cut a piece in half, and if it's white, then it's cooked. If it's still pink, it's not cooked. Okay, when you're confident that the chicken is cooked, you're going to take that leftover marinade with the stock, pour it in. And then make sure it boils for about 2 minutes, and then it's ready. And then I'll just garnish it with nigella seeds or black onion seeds, they can also be known as. I absolutely love these, so quite heavy-handed with them. A little sprinkle of sesame seeds, not too many, and a little sprinkle of crushed chilies. And there we go. The mix that I did, if you're wondering, it also created 4 dishes, so yeah, I'll let you know the syns in the comments because I can't work it out right now. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoy making.